Oh, moisture. I have got more of this to put back in, but I'm beginning to wonder now. I think I'll just be wearing a life jacket and let it sink. Right, there's a lot of muck up there from somewhere it's got in. So it's probably from the holes in the side, that's what it is, look. Oh, right, I better get all this out. I'm not going to bore you anymore. It'll be nice and clean. Not far off. Get that in focus because that's just paint. It looks like foam, but it's not. There you go. I think that's where the hole is. It's in the wrong place. It should be further down. There's about an inch and a half discrepancy between that and down below there. Anyway. Okay, so that's where we are. Can't see any holes. Very wet, a lot of foam. And then I'll finish off down the bottom and get all that.
It's going to get a little bit noisy. This is part 4. And what we're going to do now, we're going to separate the top from the bottom, because you can see it's already coming apart. Andrew's going to do a bit of grinding around the edge. I'll just show you what we did the other day. That was that hole we found. That's why I've took all the foam out on the inside, because I've got to grind this, clean it back down to the fiberglass, and then repatch all that. We've got one to do there, one in the middle, one there, I think, and then we're going to do a full fiberglass. So we've got the old, is it masks on? This is a tight mask. I'll show you this. I don't know if you can see this. Whew, I'm sweating. Okay, we've got the heater on. We'll open the door in a minute. Looks like someone's added some. We're going to cut level with this. We're going to go from one side because we think we're going to lose the structure, and we can keep this in structural and make the top structurally strong. We can always fiberglass this on the outside and the inside as well. So right, we'll catch you back in a bit when we're ready to lift the top off. So all we're doing, like we're showing, is just grinding a little bit of the edge
until we see blue.
So we see the blue, and then that should come apart. That's pretty accurate. Come on, look at that. Well done, mate. Well done. We don't want to break any more if we can help it, so we're just going to ease it off gently. So we're just easing it off. Got it. There we go. Gently. We'll try not to do any more damage, mind you. You can't get much more damage than what it is at the moment.
It's cream cracker, isn't it?
Okay, we're going to go for a lift now. We think we freed it all. you do this bit. You're going to do a bit of cleaning up on this. So we can close the door and hang it up on the side if you want. Look alright, doesn't it? Off and boat. There we go. Right, so yeah, we've got, it looks like, and we haven't done this, that some of the edge along here is actually missing, isn't it? So we've got about a metre, I think. Yeah, the other side's alright. And there's a lot of glue and whatnot, so we'll redo all this, reinforce that. Alright, okay. Well, you have got that frame out you can see here. Yeah, I'm going to make a hole in the box. So we'll just pass the, I'm just going to show. So there we go. So if we look here, where the lip is, we've got that in focus, and then it disappears. And then down there where Andrew's leg is, there's a big hole. We can get to that. That's where I took the foam out. Alright, there we go. This is where we are now. So the idea is, now I've got this top off, I can clean all along these edges. We can clean all this off, and then where it's broke here, I can clean that back and that, and then we can make sure it's a good bond. Put some new fiberglass on, fiberglass the corner over there, then we'll put it back on again.